Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and Mac OS so you choose the right startup path. This matters because firmware and commands differ. Once done, back up your data, Time Machine or a clone drive, so you can restore if needed. Next, make sure you have your Apple ID and admin password and connect to a stable network. Without network access, internet recovery won't work. Now power down, note any error codes, and get ready to enter the recovery environment. You boot into recovery using the correct key combo for your Mac. Use Command-R for local recovery, Option Command-R for internet recovery. Once in, open Disk Utility and run First Aid on the startup volume. This repairs directory and apps container issues. If First Aid fails, check SMART and consider erasing only the startup partition then restoring. After disk work, choose Reinstall Mac OS to replace missing system files, or select Restore from Time Machine to bring back your environment. You finish by resetting NVRAM/PRAM and SMC, because residual settings often block a clean boot. Do this after software changes or hardware swaps. Then boot into safe mode to confirm third-party extensions or login items aren't causing startup failures. Remove or update any offenders. If the Mac still fails, run Apple Diagnostics and note any error codes. Those codes guide hardware repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.